Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 9 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finalize the second floor. Um, Although we still haven't added the grid lines for the windows, and then curtain grids, and then the mullion, because we can still change it. What we can do now is we can add in the roof. So we can enclose this and then enclose this part. But now we need to go to second floor. We're gonna add the roof onto our second floor, but at the same time, we're going to change it from the properties because we need to change it to the roof line. If we go to the roof, at the moment, it's not showing. So that's why we need to go to second floor, and then from there, we need to edit some stuff. So now, under architecture, click on roof, and then from here, edit type, duplicate. This will be roof number 1. Press OK, edit, change the thickness to 200, and then the material. Let's put something that we haven't added yet. Let's add this one. Press OK, and then OK, and then OK again. Then the base level is very important. We need to change it now to roof line. But we're using the second floor layout so that we can add the roof at the top there. So now let's click this one, rectangle. And as you can see, there's triangle that is around the lines. Good thing we haven't clicked the second click yet, because we need to escape, because we need to uncheck this define slope. After that, go ahead and click on that corner and to this corner. And then after that, click on pick line. Same thing that we did on the floor, is just go around. And then once you go around, TR, trim and extend. Once you're finished, you can just click check. And then now, if we see, we have it on top like that. And then now, select, or don't select the walls yet, just hover over it and then click on tab. It will highlight all the exterior wall on the second floor. Select that. After that, I want you to change the top offset here to 400. 400 because the thickness, we need to cover that. And then we need to add parapet. So 200 as well. So now your rooftop will look like this. That looks good. That looks perfect. And then here, what we have here is we have some flooring right here. What we could do is we could select this walls individually, and I want you to base offset negative 200 so that we could just cover the floor. And then this spot, what we can do is we can go to one of our elevation. So this is east elevation. Select this wall, edit profile. And then here, we just need to add another rectangle going there just to cover that up. TR, trim and extend. And then here, we could just delete the remaining. and then click finish. Now it's covering there. We don't need to see that anymore. So that's how you do it. And then here, this will be another roof. So we need to go to our, I think, first floor, so that we can have that layout. I just want to double check again from our 3D. So we need to cover this up. Let's see, on the second floor, it's not visible. So first floor, we need to cover part of this, or maybe all of this. So you need to go to roof again, and then edit type, duplicate. This will be roof number 2. Edit, change this to, let's put just gypsum wallboard. Press OK, and then OK. Now, we need to change this to second floor. Now we're using the first floor layout so that we can see for the second floor. Here, let's just add rectangle. And then I know we need to pull this one back. So I'm just going to click on finish and then see it like that. As you can see, I know that we need to pull this out. So edit, footprint, and then let's just align it from this wall. After that, click finish again, select this one, and then I just want it to have a box there. So what we need to do is we need to edit the footprint, and then we should try and pulling this one down. So here, under properties, you just need to select this one, base offset from the level. So level 2, and then now here minus 200. And then click apply, and then it will go down like that. Now it looks just like a box there, and then that's fine. Here we have something showing here, but we're going to add in some design so that to cover those up. So I'm not worried about that. And then here I'm just finalizing that. So we're good with this part. And then it's already covered right here and right there as well. So next thing I want to do is add in the steps here. So let's go to our ground floor, and then here we'll be able to add in the stairs. So I'm going to click the stairs, and then I'm going to change this to a monolithic stairs first, and then from here I'm going to add stairs like that. So ground floor to first floor, click finish. I want to see it, so we need to flip it back. Go to 3D, delete all of this, and then here let's go to precast actually. So for some reason it's not at the top there, so I'm gonna redo that. Go back here, ground, click on stairs, let's do precast, and then from precast click finish first before you do anything else. Flip it and then go to 3D. Now as you can see, it's proper, but after that you can just go back to monolithic stairs. Delete this, And then after that, go back to ground. You can now edit, and then you could move this one whatever you want. And then what we could do is click finish again, and then select the stairs, and we could make this one, make the depth so around 600, and then it will fall there. You just need to select that and then move it back to its location. Let's look at it. That looks good. Around 600 for the steps. We just need to go back here and then just move it. But right now, what I'm planning to do is select, go back to 3D, select the walls. So just hover onto the wall, click on tab, and then select it from your mouse. And then after that, you need to change the base offset to ground, and then it will extend. So now you have something like looks like this. You have everything extended, and then we're going to add in a ramp here. So now let's go here onto the ground, and then let's click on ramp. This is our ramp number 1, width is 1000, and then I want to change this one. Maybe we just want 6000. Apply OK, and then now let's add a ramp right about here. We can extend this up to here, and then extend this one up to there. Click finish, and then let's look at it. We just need to flip it and then delete the railings. There we go. Double check that we have our railings like that. And then we need to connect those ones later on. We could just fill in something like an extrusion so that it doesn't look crazy enough. So we could fill it up later on. Maybe we could just edit this and give it some space. So we have some space here that I added. So just probably half of the wall. And then I think it's a good idea for us to just add some floorings from our ground floor. So floor, and then edit type, duplicate, floor number 5, edit. This will be concrete. So let's add in some concrete. Apply OK, and then OK. And then I'm going to add some concrete here for now. Okay. And the way I'm gonna do it is I'm going to add some concrete here as well. But at the same time, I want to change this one a bit. Okay. And then let's trim and extend those right there. Trim and extend. and then let's look at it at 3D so that you'll visualize. So there's a big slope there. So I'm planning to add an extrusion. So model in place, generic model, number 9. Let's do an extrusion, and then let's change this to one of the paint. So let's type in paint, select number 4, and then just select whatever paint you have, then just duplicate that. We want number 9 now. Click apply and then OK. And then here we could just add in, like I said, this one, AL. And then from there, we could extend it. And then we could even add in a flower pot here so that it looks nice the way it enters. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we can even just change it up. So that's what I'm planning to do. I'm gonna push this one from the inside and then flower pot on each side. So let's do that. Edit. I'm gonna clean that up like that. Same as well on the other side. And then from here, I'm going to edit this one. So finish. So here, I'm gonna select that. Edit extrusion. I'm gonna create something from the inside there. So this is paint. So that's done. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add in another extrusion for the inside. Extrusion. This will be paint number 10. Apply OK, and then add it from the inside like that. And then click finish, go to 3D so that you can extrude it properly and just add it right about there. Click finish, and then here go to ground again and then select those, and then click on copy it from the corner right there. And then we just need to edit this one, and then we could just pull that one AL so that it's right about there. Now if we look at it, we have something like that. Obviously we're going to extend this more, but we have a beautiful driveway like that. If we could edit this, not 6,000 but probably 3,000. If we could just do that and then just put in 3,000, it could lower the slope. So we just need to redo it, and then here we could just push this back, whatever we have there. So we already started doing this, and then on the next video we're going to do some extrusion as well. Obviously, I'm gonna do more here. I'm gonna make this one beautiful. I'm gonna put in some grass as well, some grass floors. So thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.